Alright guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and today we're gonna be talking about the signals that is very useful if you are doing any kind of action inside the Django project. So let me just show you some signals over here. So there are a few signals that you can see: pre-init, post-init, and pre-save, post-save. So something like that. Just before that action you can track that signal. After completing that action you can track that signal. Let's suppose you are creating one user, or before the user creation you want to perform some action, and just after that, like once your user will be created, you want to perform some action. So those kind of things you can do with the signals. So there's post save, pre save, pre delete, post delete. So these are the signals that you can use. And if you see over here a little bit brief about these, so like you can see what data you will receive when your signal will be passed. Okay, so for doing that, like there is one decorator as well, and there's one more method that you can connect your signal with your model, one of in which model you want to perform the actions, so that you can do. So let's see how it works into the code, and let me just show you a little bit quickly, what are the things that we will get. So into the post init you will see, you will receive sender, like which model is sending that signal, an instance, what item you have been created, that you will receive into that instance. Okay, same for the pre-save as well, you will receive the instance and otherwise you can other data, like whatever the other data will come, that you can just send it out inside the quarks, like keyword arguments, and you can print those things as well. So I'll just create one normal function, and I'll show you how this signal is working and what data we are receiving. So in the later video, just before one video, I just created this Django register and sign in process. So you can see that there's a normal Django template, login and register I have already shown you, and after that I shown you the Django REST authentication. So just into the Django project, I'm just going to show you, once we will create the user, so I'll see how our signal works over there. Okay, so let's do that. There are two methods that you can connect your signal via, using receiver decorator, or you can do post.connect. Okay, so that you can do. So we're gonna be using the receiver decorator over here. So let me just show you. First import the signals, tdjango.db.models.signals, import pre-save. Okay, pre-save comma post save. Okay, because we will save the user, so that's why I'm using. Otherwise you can also use for delete as well. If you are deleting something into the model, like to do, there's one to do model is as well, like let's see. So there's one to do model as well, and user model. So I'm going just using the default user model that comes with Django. So that's why it's not showing over here, but whatever the action will perform that in user model, so it will track over here, get tracked over here. Okay, so let's create one function also over here. So function you can create anywhere else, you just need to import that model and you just need to connect with that. So create user signal. Okay, and inside that, what we need to do, we just need to receive the sender, who will be the sender, and after that instance and just do star quarks. Okay, if you have some other keys, then you can also get those, and that, so just print it over here, print sender comma instance comma user created successfully. Okay, so this was my identifier message, like whenever we will receive the signal, so we will see our message inside the terminal. Okay, use receiver. Okay, we need to import it first, so let's go over there. So just from Django dot dispatch import receiver. Okay, so inside the receiver, what we need to do, we need to just pass the array of our signals. So how many signals we will pass, like we can use for multiple signals, we can use this function, we can use pre-save, pre-delete and all the things. So I'm just going to use the post save. So you can also use the pre-save as well over here. So just let's use post save, and after that comma sender equals to user. Okay, so you need to pass the sender over here, like on which sender it should perform these method. Okay, perform this action. Okay, So that's why. And let's try this one. Okay, so just go into the screen, uh, sign up a screen, and over here just try this name, put something like Abhishek, whatever that, don't go with the name, 126 @mail.com, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, let's create this register, and you can see user created successfully. And now let's go into our terminal. So you can see our signal has been passed, so Abhishek user created successfully, so which means our signal is getting called. And if you want to do anything like on the user creation, you want to update the user with the other keys as well, so you can do inside this function as well. And you can do some other steps as well, like sending the email or all the things, so that also you can do. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, and in the next video we'll see how we can send the email through the Django. So it's pretty easy, nothing to do, just we need to assign some settings inside the settings.py, and after that we just need to call one function. So that I'll show you in the next video. Till then, just keep learning, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.